yeah, receipts, open up the piece, I never stop, yeah, put them on delete, this is crazy cross, yeah, that's an apple.
Oh my God.
We can take it far away, I'm shopping at Ross, you can get lost, I've been right here, top of the near,
This nigga got more flow than Kanye West, bro. Black brother, bro.
Welcome, all my friends.
Go harder, bro. Give it to them, bro.
I know just yet we said it right. I never stop. I got time. Hope you recognize. I'll be on the other side. I'll be moving tight. Yeah, you know how to be. Yeah, move, but I'm right. I'm gonna hit them left or right. Yeah, say goodnight. Yeah, you know I'm shadowboxing. Knowing how it is, I tell you, baby. Yeah, it's kinda toxic. Never stop it. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I'm steady rocking. Rock the bells.
Black man power, bro. Lemon Park, bro. That's how we do it, my nigga. Black man power every day, bro. Too much talent, bro.
Yeah, I feel like Jesus. Yeah, I'm walking water. Yeah, you know just what it is. I'm balling like a martyr. Yeah, I'm over in the ethers. Yeah, I'm straight up off the bleacher. Going there, get your teacher. Make me to a believer. I was right here. I need her.
Lemon Park, bro. The Black Hollywood, bro. That's some talent right here, bro.
Ripped around here, might lose your head, might pull your hair out. Don't get scared now. What you feel, you should bow down. Every knee, every voice must confess Jesus is the Lord. Put your soul on quest, and I must decompress every time I'm on a quest with no question. I'm over your spine because when I question what God has signed and finding your time might ricochet and cause a light to turn blind. I don't want to find myself in dotted lines, but we can try, hey, and I'm ready, flip the beat, switch it up, it's so sweet like my mom's spaghetti. I don't know about you, I know about me, I'm ready, spit so heavy.
Laugh at Lemon Park, bro, laugh at Lemon Park, bro. I told you niggas, I'm undiluted. Everywhere I go, I see talent, I see opportunity, bro. Vision 2026, bro. Black man power, bro.
Every door, yes, everything, yes, listen, yes, come through now if you wanna be invested with the bulletproof vest, yes, there's no question, we can have it all, yeah, and they still having elections.
Turn on your channel again,
Hey,
what's that channel?
1245.
1245?
T-H-A-D-O-N.
We are Instagram and Facebook.
I got Instagram, I got YouTube. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram.
All right. Say thank you to Nigeria. Say thank you.
Bless up, Nigeria.
Speaking from the street, God will not ignore it. God is staying fluid. Oh God, take me holy. Oh yes, douse me down.
Bro, CTLLLL, laugh at the mouth pass, bro. Los Angeles, USA. Vision 2026, my nigga. $17 million project.
Keep me safe, point it out. Foul play, throw the flag, niggas touching on me, niggas sad, fuck the energy, it's kids around me, we know the recipe.
Alright guys, you go follow him on his social media, okay? This is raw talent. We know we're genius, but we don't have the platform to prove it. But I'm God, I'ma break the bondage.